How to build a profitable email list. With all the new marketing trends appearing like mushrooms, there's one traditional method that continues to go stronger. Email marketing can be an extremely effective way to reach your target market and improve your bottom line. And if you don't yet have an email list of your own, I highly recommend you start building one today. Keep watching. I have a gift for you. One note: the quality of your list is far more important than quantity. A list of 1,000 highly engaged buyers on your list is far better than 100,000 subscribers who don't open your emails. I've done email marketing for many years and reached thousands of opens, which has skyrocketed my leads and sales more than ever. Yes, indeed, emails are still king. When you master the art of emails, it's easy to build your know, like, and trust. Establish your authority. Grow your list and following. But sometimes struggles can be experienced with email marketing. You still get low opens. You get 0 clicks. And you get stuck and find it hard to be salesy without being too pushy. Well, I have really good news for you. If you want to be successful with affiliate marketing, if you want to grow your list 10 times, if you want to get more leads and sales, then you should join our email marketing masterclass. We're doing an exclusive live training, yes, for our members only, about enhancing your email marketing skills to make every email sent opened, clicked, and converted to a sale. Did I mention that you could be a member for free? No excuses. Just do it. After this event, you'll see the difference it can make and you'll get more referrals in no time. Comment below: if you join this free training, I will give you this free bonus. Free cheat sheet, 14 ingredients for effective marketing emails. Want to know what the best marketing emails have in common? It all comes down to these 14 ingredients. Get yours now. Comment below to get you access. See you at the training.